Hey guys, today's lesson we are going to focus on finding slope, which can also be called the rate of change. We're going to do this by looking at tables and graphs. So last week we talked about proportional relationships. This week, when we're looking at rate of change, we're not looking at the constant. We're looking at the change in my y over the change in my x. And so if I look here, I go from 3 to 13 to 23 to 33 to 43. So I'm increasing by 10. That's my change in y. My change in x, I'm going from 0 to 5 to 10 to 15 to 20. Okay, and so I'm going up by 5. Now, I can simplify this. 10 divided by 5 gives me 2. And so the slope here is going to be 2. Okay. Now, on this one, I'm looking at, once again at the change in y over the change in x. And so if you look at my y's, I'm going up by 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm increasing by 1. And then my x's are increasing by 2. So my slope is 1 over 2, and that can't be simplified. So we'll just leave it as a fraction. We also have to look at a graph. And so you're going to watch a video that talks about the 4 types of slope. But right here, this is one of the types of slope, and this is negative. Whoops. This is negative, and the reason it's negative is because you'll notice your line is going down. And you read a graph the way that you read a book. You read it from left to right. So I'm going to start at this point and go to this point right here. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3. So since it was negative, we would say negative 2 over 3. So once again, down 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3. That's how I get from this point to this point. And it's negative because our line was going down. We also have positive slopes. And so this one right here, it's positive because when I read it from left to right, I'm going up. And so I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and over 2. 1, 2. So my slope would be just 3 over 2. So once again, you're going to read it from left to right. So here's my first point, and here's my second point. I went up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2. Okay. Making crazy noises on you guys. So let's review the table. Once again, we're going to do our change in y or our change in x. So we have 4, 7, 10, 13. So what are we going up by here? We're going up by 3. And then here we're going up by 1. So my slope would be 3 over 1. Make sure that you watch the video that tells me my 4 types of slope. It is less than 2 minutes, so yay for that.